I was about to say it's really quiet around here, but well, that's ironic. But anyhow, I am low-key having trouble making friends because I don't really know people right now. Is this a safe path? Okay, surely it's fine. But like, we don't really have anything as of right now to have everybody on the floor meet together, and I don't know if this is because I missed something. I probably did, to be honest. But yeah, so I just gotta have breakfast by myself, but that's okay. We are right now heading back to the dorm. Might run into some people, although the street looks kind of remote, so I don't know if I want to be on here any longer. But yeah, this is life. Not sure that this is on campus, but you know, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back. It's fine. It's fine. Guy, yo, how?
Oh, there it is.
This is like cutting the, I don't know, it feels like cutting some food, but I don't know what food.
Last time I cooked was so long ago.
actually representing
It's like
brain
that.
damage.
I am serious.
It's like actually screaming.
Oh my god, that's awful. Hello, welcome to vlog. Oh shoot, wait, we got it. We got it. Sorry. Woohoo. Yeah, we're picking up our poster. Let's go.
Madam.
Okay.
Mademoiselle.
Yeah, team. We did that. We did that.
Yeah. Let me get refreshments, bye.